graduate school, we had to memorize that table, and we had to use that table. And on exams, we had to translate large blocks of data not using a table.
Jesus.
I know. Then after those exams, I went over to the garbage can and went, because I knew I was never going to have to do that again. In a second, I'm going to tell you about two of the smartest people I've ever met in my life. First of all, let's do this. Ready? You see where it says C-A-U? Right? Let's see, I'll circle them for you. So here's C, right? And here's C-A-U. There's histidine. So you see how C-A-U comes to histidine. You see that? Right? And let me go back up. Let's see, how about G-A-C? So here's G-A-C. What is it supposed to be? Now do you guys know how to use that table? That special SPI decoder ring? If you were one of those people that's a complete nerd, and you probably even have a watch that does this already. Some of you may even have an app on your phone that does that for you. No, none of you? None of you carry calculators in your pockets? All right. So this is how we use this table.
What's that stop thing?
I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to talk about that right now. So these are sentences. Did you know that? And did you know that not all sentences start at the beginning? Sentences start wherever there's this. This is the DNA equivalent. This is the RNA equivalent. Because there is no such thing as a T in RNA. It's what? Uracil. Methionine is the start or the beginning of the sentence. Let me prove that to you right now. I'm going to show you this little table right here. And so ATG, right? Here's A, right? A, where here? AUG, because this entire table is a table of mRNA, correct? Not DNA.
Right.
So here's AUG. That's the start codon. Also, that does happen to code for an amino acid called methionine. So that's the beginning of a sentence. There are three ways to end a sentence. A period, an exclamation, a question mark, right? In this language, there are three ways to end a sentence. You see them? Here's one way, here's another way, here's another way. By the way, these codons do not code for an amino acid. They code for the stop process. The way that you remember this, you are angry, you are gross, you go away. You are ugly, typically might not be what's going to stop you. You are angry, you are gross, you go away. That's how you remember the stop codons, okay? You're getting ugly. It's not going to work. You are ugly. You are angry, you are gross, you go away. Cool? So, let's see if I have a sentence here. Let's go back.